When you're there, click on the reading folder. You'll open that up and you'll get your character and exposition documents as well as your LitCircle rubric. Of course, for you guys, your character and exposition document is in your Google Drive. You want to open that up as well as your LitCircle rubric. I'm just going to open up the generic one here so we can talk about it. Once these are open, as a reminder, you are going to be discussing all parts of the character and exposition document in the LitCircle discussion tomorrow. As well as you are going to want to review the LitCircle rubric so you can know what you're going to be focusing on as far as listening, building a discussion, textual evidence, and the learning habits, respect, and making sure you're prepared for the discussion. Once you've got these documents open, you're going to want to go and open up QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player is the best way to record it. I'm going to just grab it here. I open it up. Once I have it open, I can slide to it. In QuickTime Player, I click on New Movie Recording. Once I have New Movie Recording, I can then start recording myself in the discussion. And once I'm in the discussion, all I need to do is take turns with my teammates. We're going to start with the exposition. We'll start by discussing where the story takes place. Hopefully you have 1 to 2 examples of textual evidence and you've explained them. You will take turns discussing that, as well as when does the story take place and what is the conflict in the story. The first 2 questions you're probably not going to have as much difference of opinion on, but certainly probably by the time you get to conflict, and more importantly, your characters, you'll have something more to discuss in your LitCircle discussion. Once you finish the discussion, you will click off your QuickTime iMovie player, and you will go to your LitCircle discussion sheet, reflection sheet, and you'll fill out the student opinion section. Once you finish filling out the student opinion section, then you can go to your iMovies here in your hard disk. You open that up, and that's where you'll find your screen recording, and that is what you will import into iMovie on Thursday so you can begin editing what will be your short summary of your LitCircle discussion for me. If you have any questions after this video, please bring them up in class at the beginning of class tomorrow, and we can clarify before we begin the discussions.